Hello? Oh, dang. This definitely going in the video. That's definitely going in the video.
I ain't even doing nothing bad. I'm just getting fucking cash. I'm just getting fucking cash. Yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Pelly Bucks. I know I said this channel was dead. It probably should be, but I'm doing head-ass videos again. So we're back on Pelly Bucks. Right now, today, we about to do a monkey app video. You know, this is my first time using the app, and shout out, what's this man's name? Matt, you know this man's name? Huvier? Yeah. Huvier. You know, we gonna ask these girls to rate us 1 to 10. I don't even know how to set it up so that there's only girls that come up. I don't think you could do that. You know, I've been feeling kind of ugly lately. I've been getting dubbed a lot, so let's see what my ranking is. You know, I know I look completely different. Like, I look way different from my last video. Like, I have, my hair is long, you know, going on the neck. You feel me? But you gotta kind of gotta show off a little bit if you want these 10s. So let's see what's popping. Let's get into this video. So like I said, I never used the monkey app before. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. All I know is that I have to screen record right now. Oh, this nigga look kind of cute. Let me stop. I'm playing around. She from Georgia. Come on, what's popping? Let's do it.
A Pelly? Who Pelly? Hold up, Pelly fine as hell. Get up here. Pelly fine as hell. Get up here.
Pelly, hello. Oh, yo. She said, who Pelly? Y'all not getting my government. Stop it. Stop playing with me. Yo, you can sit here and do this shit is just, I don't get it. Hi. You dead too young. She's dead too young. There's no way she's whatever she is. She was like 7. Niggas really come, it's sick. It's actually sickening to see the tags. Niggas come out here to find people to date. That's sick. You gotta be sick in the head to do it. Havana, let's go. Hello? Hi? Hi. At time. Oh, what's poppin'? What's good? I can't even see both of y'all. I can only see one. Oh, you hiding? Damn. Oh, y'all dumb young. Dang. Y'all very young. How old are y'all?
We're 17.
17? Alright. That's straight. So I recently got out of a relationship, and I was just wondering how I stand in the community in terms of looks. So I'm gonna ask y'all to rate me from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. I'm a what?
An 8.
An 8? An 8? Why an 8? Why an 8? Oh,
yeah,
you agree? But why? Why 8? Why an 8?
Yes, your question. What?
Not that thing right there. This right here.
Oh. Stop, bro. You're killing me.
The joystick is.
You're killing me.
And then you can say talk too.
Oh yes, let's do it. Yo, man, Oh, here we go. We in business. Girl, we in business. Tiara, hello. Let me calm down. Hi.
Man, yeah, look at Pelly. Pelly.
Yo, what's good? What's poppin'?
Man, you need to add time.
Yo, what's poppin'? I can't. You too old. She said you need to add time. I can't. I can't. She way too old. I could probably finesse something. She seemed cool, but nope, you 15. Can't do that. See, you saved my life, bro. I was about to be a pedophile for life. You saved my life. Ooh, Julianne, you white. Okay, let's see what's popping.
She's only Pelly. That's what they call me, dog. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hi. Yo, at time. I'm sorry. At time. Yeah. So, what's up? What's happening?
Nothing.
How old are y'all? How old are you?
84. Just kidding, we're 16. Yeah.
16.
Change my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
When you look in the face, all that I say.
16.
How old are you?
Yes.
I don't know, 17?
Older.
18?
Nah. Older.
19?
Nah. Older.
20?
No, I'm not older. Even older. Way older.
23?
Older.
30?
I'm 30.
Bro, dumb son.
What?
Yeah, I'm 30. No,
You're
you.
30.
I'm really 30.
There's no way. Why would a 30-year-old be on this ass?
That's a good question. I've been running into it. I'm a catfish. I'm sorry, guys.
Sorry.
Why they can't?
It was not like 16.
Stop playing with me! Stop playing with me! Yo, you see what's happening on this? They trying to set me up. You gotta miss. Okay, hello. Let's do this. Two girls, 18 and 15. Oh, this is good. Hello? Hi. What's up? At time. Both of y'all, at time. Yo, what's good? What's poppin'?
What's poppin'?
Oh, nothing. Is that a silky?
Yes, sir.
Is that a silky? What you covering? Waves?
I got braids like.
Oh, I feel you. Yeah. I feel you. Yeah. What's good, y'all? I just recently got out of a relationship, and I want to know how I stand in terms of looks. So I'm gonna ask both of y'all to rate me from 1 to 10. You feel me? Like.
Wait, is your phone dying?
What?
My phone?
Yeah.
Nah. Why?
No. It's just. I don't know why you would rate yourself if you just got. Nah. You brown skin, so I'm gonna give you an 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah, I was gonna do it around.
If I was dark, I would get what?
A 10.
I'm dark. Stop playing with me. It's this light. No, I am dark. I'm dark. I'm not dark.
What's the fight?
I'm dark. This light is playing with me. You heard that. I'm a 10. Stop playing.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck?
I'm gonna move this light back a little bit. So stop playing with me. She said if you were dark. I am dark. Alright, what's good, YouTube? I've been having technical difficulties doing this video. So we gonna try this one more time on my phone, and then I'm gonna use my brother's phone because I need to get this video out. Like, I'm not playing these games. Apple is not trying to see me succeed. Alright, we connected to the monkey server. I got 90% of my phone. I got a couple. No, I don't want Deshaun, so you could get out of my face with that. These girls too young. They not even 17. I know for a fact. Hello, Da. You from Mississippi? I'm expecting that accent. Hello?
Ooh,
Oh, dang. This definitely going in the video. That's definitely going in the video. Oh, I'm fucking up. Wait. Hello? Hi?
Hi.
What's it? At time. I'm sorry. At time. What's good? What's poppin'?
Not much.
Oh, why you laughing?
I don't know.
So I got a question. So like I recently became single. And I'm trying to like gauge like how I look in the community, because I look completely different from when I started my relationship. So like, if you don't mind, could you like rate me from 1 to 10?
I knew that this was a long-winded way for me to write 1 to 10. Like doing that because I think it's mean.
It's mean? No. You see, I won't take offense. I just want to know. If you know, you know. You feel me? Like.
Well, no, it's not because I have a bad score or anything. It's just, I don't know.
you got to give it to me at this point. You said it's not bad. I'll follow you too. You got to just give me it.
Okay, fine. Like an 8.5.
An 8.5. Why an 8.5?
I don't really know.
Why 8.5?
I don't know. Actually, you might be like boosted to a 9. I think because you seem like you have a good personality.
Hey, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, I give you the same thing. You feel me?
Thank you.
Yeah. Nah, it was nice meeting you. I'll follow you back. So.
Okay.
You know, you feel me? That's a calm. It's a calm 8.5, 9, because of my person. You see. I'm the whole package now. Like, I'm not. It's just not even my looks. It's everything. We gonna do this one too. We gonna see what's popping. Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
Yo, what's up? Oh, I got a question. So add time.
Everybody on here has questions for me.
It's all that it comes with the territory. What you mean? Yeah, nah. So basically, right? I recently became single. You feel me? And I'm really just trying to gauge like how I look out here. Like I don't really know, because I look completely different from when I started my relationship. So I just want to know, like, could you rate me from like 1 to 10?
10.
10? Really?
Yeah.
Why 10? Why 10?
Cause you cute.
That. Thank you. Thank you. Good looking. But like, why though? Like, you could be not a 9, an 8.5, and be cute. You feel me? Why 10?
Just like everything is cute.
Wow, you're making me blush. Like, damn. Thank you. You know, I follow you back. Good looks. Yo. Feel me? You feel me? Like, it's nothing out here. It's nothing. Alright, we gonna do this one. Illinois.
Every time I see you walk up in the club, I'm flirt. Some, I'm flirt.
Hey, he got it. Stop that. She 18 from Texas. Let's do it.
Move your hand.
Hello, hi. At time. What? Oh, y'all like?
She fine. Look at her. Whoa. She's the only cute one.
How old are y'all?
18.
18.
I'm just playing with you. Gotta go.
They knew like come on, I'm not gonna get caught by that. Come on. Should that be it for this video? Like, I feel like that could be it. Maybe one more. Bro, there's a whole lot of catfishing on this app. Like, just a lot. I don't know how people sit here and do this. Like, it's actually kind of crazy. I don't know how y'all do this. 2 girls, let's do it. All right, let's go. Hello? Hi?
Hello?
At time. I got a question. At time. What's up? What's poppin'?
Hey.
Hi. So pretty much, I just got out of a relationship, and I'm really just trying to gauge like how I look in the community, you know. So if y'all don't mind or anything, like I would love if y'all rate me from 1 to 10.
Where's you 1 to 10?
Yeah, 1 to 10.
Not a 5.
A 5? That's tough. Dang, that's tough. Why 5? Why 5? That's tough.
Nah, I'm just playing.
Oh, so you gonna give me a real rating? Give me a real one.
I gotta say about a good 6.5, 7.
6.5, 7. That's real. Nah, I can't fault you. Why 6.5, 7 though?
I don't know. It's just like, I mean, I'm not attracted to dark skins, so.
I am dark. Ah, I see. And what about you? What's your rating?
Wrong person to ask.
Wow. We can't end the video like this. Not like this. No. She said I'm not attracted. So does that mean I'm on the highs for dark skins? Is that what that means, or does that mean I'm just not it? Good question, right? I'm coming up with a lot of technicalities right here, but it's a good question. Yo, YouTube, thank you for watching this video. If you trying to see another one of these, it can happen very soon, because this is very low energy. But this is a lot of catfishing, a lot of niggas, and just a lot of BS. So we need to get out into the field and shoot some real public interview videos. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want more content. You know how to get it. Wow, it's not gonna save. The last one isn't gonna save. Yeah. I'm out.